Can she put that question in harassing me in the mind? This bitch is fine. I done came to the club about 50 times now. Can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Nigga drunk, then I'm up, I'ma threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she work. And then I like to see them females twerk. Taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And she get a hold on disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this. Cause you ain't friends in this VIS. Lil John and the East Side boys with me. And we all like to see ass and tears. Now bring your ass over here, ho, and let me see you get low. If you want this dub, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
369, damn it, she just sang it to me one more time and go. Get low, get low.